there. Would you want to fight Victor Ortiz?
Ah, man. I love Victor. I love Victor.
Ain't nobody ready for twins.
You know that.
Ain't nobody ready for us.
We love
Nobody ready for us.
But then we got.
We don't get tired.
Oh, we don't get tired.
We don't get tired.
We don't get tired. We don't get tired.
We get money, right? We get money. We don't get tired.
That's the motto. We don't get tired. We get money, baby. All right, thank you. Thank you.
Thanks, brother.
Oh yeah, man. I talked to him, and he just went through some life-changing things, and I'm here for him whenever he need me. But other than that, we live in life.
Thanks,
What do you think about people giving him a hard time for going in the game? He's dealing with it. Talk to him about him. How do you feel about it?
I mean, why be mad at a man who's living his life? It's just like me. If I want to go to every club in every city on my off days, then that's what I like to do. If he want to go to every game or whichever game he decides to go to, then that's his life.
But Broner, how can I make it rain if I go to a club? Is there any etiquette to it? What's the right way to do it?
I mean, the right way to do it is to make it rain all night. Don't just make it rain for a song. You got to make it rain all night.
One, two, three.
He ain't no white man, he a Caucasian.
That was Harry Potter. I gotta do this. Kareem Mayfield called you out. Did you see that?
Ah, man, a lot of people call me out.
Gotta be a big fight.
A lot of people call me out. So listen, this is what I say to him. I just want you to get your career on track, and you just keep winning. Well, win the next one. As long as you winning, I'm okay. You can call me out all day. I ain't got nothing against you, bro. I don't care what you say about me. I want to see you win.
One thing about you, you're not scared of fear. You fight anyone, anywhere, anytime.
I will fight anybody. Even him, if he was a champion, and he was caught, I will fight him. But at the end of the day, it don't make no sense for me. It's only a risk for me because I'm not gonna be biased. Yes, he can fight, he can hit. So it's only gonna be a risk for me. You know, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna stay on top of my shit and I'm gonna win the fight. But you know, man, that's not a fight for me right now.
Hey, do you think Pacquiao's still the same fighter as before? He's still a dangerous guy? You think he slip a little bit?
Oh man, Pacquiao gonna always be dangerous till he's done with the sport of boxing.
What do you think of his performance against Algeria?
Tremendous. You know, he did what he had to do and he got the victory.
What would you do in there, AB, that somebody has nothing against Pacquiao if you got in there?
Make him look like a damn fool.